What will be those brands we're gonna discuss in this video? So this will be Citizens of Humanity, this will be Ralph Lauren, this will be Tommy Hilfiger, this will be the Paul Smith, and finally the Thom Browne. We're gonna break down the outfits into little details. We're gonna see the colors, the styles, designs, fits, patterns and prints, in general the outfit creation. First, I'm gonna start with the brand called the Citizens of Humanity. What makes the outfit look expensive? So first of all, let's look at the colors. Color palette would be achromat, black, white and gray. Neutrals, the browns, the burgundy, muted burgundy. This will be really classic baby blue shirt, good color jean that most of us recognize as a classic jean color. Let's pay attention to the color combination in the outfits. First of all, they don't use more than 2 colors. If we count jean color, then this would be 3 colors. Usually they would use the expensive color combo. So what do I mean by that? So the blue, dark blue or navy with the white, brown and beige, white and beige. So these kind of color combinations that most people would recognize as expensive color combinations. The jean in general look really expensive. They look like these are made exactly for you. Both the quality of the jean, the design and color of the jean, and color combination that is seen as expensive, these 2 ingredients, they raise the bar of expensiveness in the outfit. Let's look at the accessories. Usually in the outfits they would add belt. The belt would be good quality, again leather, good quality buckle, not something extremely trendy, not something extremely fashionable, but more in that basic casual classic design. But if we pay attention to bags, they are with the design, with the detail, so this touch is making them a little bit different from the other 4 brands I'm gonna talk later in this video. And by the way guys, at the end of this video you will have a test. I created 5 outfits and you will need to guess which outfit do belong to which brand. I think it would be nice to check yourself how well you can focus on detail, and anyways this would be really good for yourself. You would be able to create or recreate some outfits that will make you look expensive. Let's pay attention to leather. So particularly I see 2. This is a black smooth or brown smooth as well. Itself, it looks delicious. It looks like expensive, good design, well structured piece of leather. I am not saying that you have to buy a real leather to recreate the same outfit. No, obviously it all depends on your budget, on your values, but still nowadays there are plenty of offers in the market with the eco-vegan leather that look good, that look like a quality piece. So designs are up to date, classic, I would say basic, yet they are in a good shade of brown, or they are really good smooth matte leather. They can be shiny, but the matte leather is used in the outfit. It always looks a bit more expensive. Actually not a bit, but more expensive, to be honest. If we talk about fit, I would say mid-fit, fit to loose, not oversized. I hope it gives you a general information how the brand makes the outfit look expensive. Let's move to second brand. A second brand I'm gonna talk, it will be the Ralph Lauren, an American brand. Again, really first, and I think everyone can spot it straight away. In most cases, in their outfit, there are 2 styles mixed. So this would be smart and casual. Smart clothes, shirts, trousers, blazers, really good structured coats, wool coats. And casual, this would be jean, this might be joggers, this might be turtlenecks, high necks, or simple white top, tee, or knit jumper, braided jumper, mostly wool, or if this is a cotton, this would be really good high quality cotton. Another thing most of us know that the Ralph Lauren signature logo is the bear, teddy bear, brown bear. Now let's discuss colors. Again, you can see a lot of neutral colors: white, black, navy, grays. You can see beige, especially in combination with navy color or gray and navy. They do add the navy color itself, as same as a blue. They do give that feeling of formality, of diplomacy, of learning, of studying, something that is relate to discipline if you want. Again, you would see a lot of expensive color combination. So this would be brown and navy, beige and white, black and white, obviously, really classic black and white. You see that the colors do play massive role. They do use colors to send a message to people. Another thing, they do have their denims. This would be the tied jeans, whether in blue, black, or in white as well. And usually denim would be as a shirt. If we talk about prints, so particularly two prints, I already mentioned the teddy bear, but there are two prints. Really, first this will be check, and check would be always in the colors like green, navy, and red. And I actually have a shirt from Ralph Lauren. It's exactly in navy, blue, green, and red colors. And the clothes that would belong to smart style, they would be in that check print. Another print that Ralph Lauren used, it might be lines, especially if this is the shirt in lines, or this might be the trousers in lines. It all depends on the season, of course. Let's talk about silhouettes. Like previous brand, they do make outfits in fit to loose or fitted clothes. Would again look like you have a personal tailor that makes that piece of clothing for you. Let's pay attention to accessories. So here would be again really classic belts, whether black or brown. They do love brown belts. If we talk about shoes or boots, in most of the times this would be loafers, brogues, or something classic like moccasin, or they might be heel, but this would be rather elegant pointed toe heels, or this would be high boots. And another thing what I wanted to mention, Ralph Lauren do love adding that casual vibe, not only in a denim shirt or jumpers, relax, or turtlenecks, but they also love adding joggers in outfits. So again, decreasing that degree of smartness and giving that perfect balance. Even though this is the casual clothes, they would still look really expensive in Ralph Lauren aesthetics, playing with the colors like beige and navy, white, and beige. Don't want to waste a lot of time, to be honest. I really want to jump to next third brand, and this will be the Thom Browne. Again, American brand. I really do love Thom Browne aesthetic. So first of all, let's talk about colors again. So Thom Browne usually in most cases have the three colors. So this would be the achromat, white, black, and gray. He loves adding gray, the light marble shade of gray. Really beautiful. I adore that color. There another specific detail in the color. His signature detail would be red in navy lines, and you would understand that this is a Thom Browne. There can be other colors like navy, or again the shirt in baby blue, but usually you would see his clothes are all built around these three achromat colors. If we talk about style of Thom Browne, so it's mostly again the school vibe aesthetic, high school, college vibe. So both teachers and students can dress in this style, and they will look really formal, really up to school aesthetic. Plissé, mini skirts, this would be chino trousers, can be really cropped, capri but relaxed style trousers, again with the lines. What else? In the style you can see that usually this is 2 or 3 layer outfit, some kind of shirt, some kind of knit vest, some kind of blazer, and all will be in the colors again white or gray. If we talk about prints, guys, the Thom Browne really much loves the check print. So it might be like print on the clothes or it might be the visual effect of that checked print. So like a cardigan knit in the way that it might create that check print. Thom Browne really much and adores cardigan. This brand DNA is a cardigan. Cardigans would usually and often balance the other smart clothes. I think it pretty much gives an idea of Thom Browne aesthetics. And let's move to fourth brand. I adore this brand, to be honest. There is some kind of cool vibe. What makes Paul Smith different? So here you might see Paul Smith don't do the school vibe aesthetics. It rather focuses, I would say, on workwear, because all those clothes what he makes are mostly in smart stars. He does add a casual vibe as well in a jumper, in a print, you will see in a minute. So first of all, I want to talk about colors. This would be all the muted, all the dark shades, brick color. This would be navy, this would be dark green, brown, this would be dark red like cherry. He really loves pairing these two colors, navy in green. Also there are other neutral colors, but what makes Paul Smith different from the three previous brands is that he do add a bit more colors in the outfits. Another thing, if you would pay close attention, you would see that he do love print, and especially flower print. So this might be the flower, like a flower design, like a flower one detail, again in the navy or blue or red colors, or this would be the floral print, beautiful floral print that looks expensive due to the color combination, due to size of that floral print. Just because he do love playing with the colors, mixing them in one outfit, so it might be 3 or 4 colors mixed in one outfit. And he also do love the color blocks, again blue, reds or brick or navy, or this would be greens. Not only flower print, but also he loves check or stripes, and they will have the navy, blue, red, brick, would be green. Right guys, I think it's time to talk about last fifth brand. So here we're gonna talk about the Tommy Hilfiger, not Tommy jean. Tommy jeans are mostly made for the people who do love bright aesthetics, who do love sport aesthetics, who do love feeling comfortable in casual clothes. But we're gonna talk, guys, about Tommy Hilfiger, the brand that would be upper mid-segment price, the one which is presented on the runway show. What is in his style? What makes his outfits to look expensive? Really, first, let's talk about colors. Color palette would be again neutral. I know, guys, I know I sound like a broken record, but colors do play massive role in the outfit creation to make it look expensive. Right, so colors for Tommy Hilfiger would be beige and navy, beige and white, especially if this is white jean. Tommy Hilfiger do love adding white jean in the outfits. He do loves adding achromat, and usually with the achromat there would be beige added as well, with a beige coat or with a beige trench coat or beige jumper. Beige would be in most of the outfits. Beige would be quite a signature color, I would say, for this brand, and especially if this is in a knits like jumpers, or if this is in outwear like coats and trenches. In most cases, white shirt will be present in his outfit to add that smart detail. In most cases you will see 3 layerings, 3 to 4 to be honest, but 3 layerings, this will be a must-have. So this would be whether a shirt, knit, jumper, polo jumper, especially if this is a braid knit, and something on top, whether blazer, whether coat. Tommy Hilfiger do focuses on a jean as well, so he produces beautiful, good quality jean. I had his jeans. I used to be obsessed with the Tommy Hilfiger jeans. I had them a lot, and they are good quality. Once I had a red jean, I was washing them I think nearly every week, and they didn't fade. the red color was exactly as it was when I purchased, and I wore them quite a few years, to be honest. I remember that point when I got just sick and tired of those red jeans, and I just gave them to charity, but they were in a good quality. Nothing happened to this jean, to be honest. Similar to Citizen of the Humanity, they do have their jeans in a good quality, really good designs. They know, basically they know what to do, so people do feel comfortable in their jeans. Signature logo, there are 3 colors: white, red and blue. So pretty much these 3 colors are seen in most of his clothes, in most of his outfits. So these colors are signature, they are recognizable in his outfit. So there will be small logos, some were printed on the sleeves or on the pocket side. What else? If we talk about style of clothes, again, they do have smart clothes, but mostly they have casual style clothes. So all the polo neck tops, all the cardigans, jumpers, they would be more relaxed style, not really fitted. Another thing in their outfits, they will be always a touch of sport vibe, whether in trainers or a baseball cap or sweatshirt. The other brands I mentioned before, they were mostly focusing on adding a casual style and balance the smart clothes. But here, the Tommy Hilfiger will add the sport vibe. So if we talk about fit, will be more relaxed mid-fit, but also quite tight, fit to loose. We discussed all 5 brands. What I am offering you now, let's quickly discuss what they have in common. So first of all, fits. The fits are whether fitted or fit to loose. Tommy Hilfiger does the mid-fit, relaxed, but still those outfits that look more expensive, they are whether fit to loose or quite fitted. Right, another thing what they have in common, these are the color. So all the expensive color combinations, all the neutrals, all the achromats, and if they're using colors, they would rather be muted, matte rather than shiny. Another thing what they have all in common, they do mix smart and casual in their outfits. Some of them use more smart, some of them more casual, but in general they do play on these 2 styles. They balance them. The smart style clothes will always add that expensiveness. Obviously good quality, good designs, classic color jeans, good quality knit jumpers. If we talk about prints, so here would be check or lines. The check print is kind of associated with the school, with the learning, with the logic, guys, similarly as lines as well. So these 2 prints do add expensiveness to your outfit. And finally, last point here, these clothes from all these 5 brands, they seem to me unisex. So both men and women can have these type of clothes in their wardrobes. Maybe not floral print, but I do know there are some men who do love the floral print or floral touch in their outfits, so why not? Right, guys, and now please watch my 5 outfits. Try to guess which outfit do belong to which brand, and thank you very much for watching me, and I hope to see you back on my channel. Bye.